You don't have a money problem. You have a misunderstanding problem. Most people were never taught how money actually works. So they follow rules that sound logical, but don't lead to real income. You've probably heard this your whole life. Work more, earn more. So you stay busy, try to be productive, and work harder. But your income doesn't really change. Because effort alone doesn't create money. Money doesn't follow effort. It follows value. And if you don't understand that, you'll keep repeating the same cycle. Part 1. Wrong model. The biggest mistake is believing that time equals money. It feels logical. More hours should mean more income. But there's a limit. You only have 24 hours, which means your income is capped from the start. That's why many people work all day and still struggle financially, while others earn more, working less. Part 2. How money works. Money flows to value. The bigger the problem you solve, the more you get paid. If you help one person, you get paid once. If you help hundreds, your income grows. Leverage multiplies your results. Without leverage, you trade time for money. With leverage, one action creates multiple results. A skill, a system, or content can work for you repeatedly. Scalability creates real growth. If you earn once per hour, you stay limited. But if your work keeps paying you, your income expands. Part 3. Why you feel stuck. You're not stuck because you're lazy. You're stuck because you're using the wrong model. Working harder inside a broken system doesn't fix the result. It just makes you more tired. That's why progress feels slow, even when you try. Once you understand this, everything shifts. You stop chasing money and start building value. And that's when money starts chasing you. Money doesn't follow effort. It follows value, leverage, and scalability. So stop asking, how can I work more? Start asking, how can I create more value? Be honest. What skill that could actually make you money?